Hi everybody, this is Stokes McIntyre with MindForge. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to walk you through our new employee integrations feature. So this new feature, in a nutshell, allows you to sync your employee directory with MindForge. So let's say you have an employee database in a payroll system, or it could be in CMIC or HCSS, and you don't want to go through the trouble of having to manually sync your MindForge user database. You can now export a CSV from your system of record and import that into MindForge, and it'll keep your systems synced. Now, this is for companies, for MindForge users that have employees, right? Some of our customers, they have trade contractors that are loading into the system and they use these onboarding codes. You can continue to do that. But if you have employees in your org that you want in your MindForge organization, you can now use the CSV integration to do that and then continue to add your trade contractors via the onboarding codes. So what this does is if you export that CSV from your system of record, import it into MindForge, it's going to add or delete users that are on your employee list that you import. So if you, let's say someone's left your organization, that person would be automatically removed from MindForge, and if they've been added to your organization, they will be added in MindForge. Now let's say that's a new employee and they don't have a MindForge profile. You can toggle this switch here and it will automatically send an invite to join MindForge to all new employees. So once they're imported, they'll receive a SMS text in their phone that says, hey, click on this link to create a MindForge profile. Now, the one thing that MindForge does is before you actually upload this CSV, it's going to check the data for you and let you know where there's going to be issues. So when you upload this file, before it actually makes the sync, it's going to say, hey, this phone number is off, or there is no phone number here, or whatever. So you have an opportunity to correct those issues before you upload into MindForge. Now we do have a template, so you can download this template. You can see here what the columns are. We allow for an employee ID, a first name, last name, email, and phone number. All right, so that is our new employee integrations feature. It's going to help folks keep their employee directories synced up. Coming up next, we're going to be working on an integration with HCSS as well as Procore, so stay tuned for those announcements. And as always, if you have any questions, let us know. All right, take care. Bye-bye.